Sciatica is a pain that starts in your lower back. It travels down your leg. You might feel it in your buttock, thigh, or even your foot. Lower back pain is also very common. Lots of things can cause these pains. Sometimes it's from sitting too long. Sometimes it's from an injury. The good news is yoga can help. Yoga is a gentle way to feel better. It uses stretches and poses. These movements can help your sciatica in a few ways. First, yoga can strengthen your core. These are the muscles around your stomach and back. A strong core supports your spine. Second, yoga makes you more flexible. Tight muscles can pull on your back. Stretching helps loosen them up. Lastly, yoga helps you relax. Stress can make pain worse. Yoga helps calm your mind and body. Remember to move slowly and breathe deeply. Listen to your body and don't push too hard. Let's learn some yoga poses for sciatica. Do each pose slowly and gently. 1. Knee to chest pose. Lie on your back. Bend your knees and keep your feet flat. Hug one knee into your chest. Hold for 30 seconds. Switch legs. 2. Cat-cow pose. Start on your hands and knees. As you inhale, drop your belly and look up. Cow. As you exhale, round your back and tuck your chin. Cat. Repeat 5 to 10 times. 3. Child's pose. Kneel on your mat. Bring your big toes together and sit back on your heels. Fold forward and rest your forehead on the floor. Hold for 1 minute. These are just a few examples. Many other poses can help. Yoga is generally safe, but it's important to listen to your body. Stop if you feel any sharp pain. If your pain is severe or doesn't get better, see a doctor. They can help figure out the cause of your pain. Yoga is a tool to help you feel better. With regular practice, you can find relief from sciatica and lower back pain. Remember, be patient and kind to yourself. Your back will thank you.